Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy S22. First of all, open Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bars. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Following that, select Open. From this screen here, you can choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow in order to continue. Then do exactly the same on an Android. So I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now select receive on Samsung and send on an Android. Following that, you can choose all of those dots and select send right away. This way you would select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one file, like this photo, choose send and click on get it. Now I need to close an ad, so I will go with no thanks and close this window. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Samsung, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and choose receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!